Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning ProRes on in Settings camera. This selects higher color fidelity and larger files. Once done, make sure you free 20 GB or more. ProRes 4K consumes huge space quickly. If you plan long takes, connect an SSD formatted in XFAT and confirm iPhone recognizes it. You'll also want to set resolution and frame rate in Camera app before shooting, because changing mid-session complicates workflow and can interrupt recording. Now you frame and configure in the Camera app. Select Video, tap the ProRes badge to engage it, then pick your resolution and frame rate. You do this because ProRes preserves color and detail, but locks file size and dynamic range expectations. Once rolling, monitor exposure and white balance closely. Adjust ND or ISO instead of relying on automatic swings. For precise control, use a compatible third-party app that exposes shutter, ISO, and color profiles while recording ProRes. To finish, stop the take and move files off the iPhone promptly. Use Finder, Photos, or copy from your connected SSD to avoid filling the device. Then edit in Final Cut or Premiere to retain full quality. Transcode only when necessary to manage storage or deliverables. If a recording quits unexpectedly, check free storage and iPhone temperature, and ensure the SSD cable and format are correct. You'll prevent most failures by monitoring space and cooling between long takes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.